Hey guys, what's going on? Are you looking to get Tinder Gold, Tinder Plus and Tinder Plus Plus? Well, then I have the perfect solution for you. This method is very easy and after many days of searching, I finally upgraded. As you can see, more people can see me now. I have boosted my profile. I also have an unlimited amount of swipes. I can also spoof my location so people from other countries can see me. It's very cool and I'll show you guys how you can do it. Just go to tindergold.live. Tindergold.live is the website. And once you're here, it's very easy. All you have to do is choose your platform. Mine is iOS. And to activate the upgrade on your account, you just have to follow these instructions. Download and open two apps for at least 30 seconds to unlock Tinder Gold and Tinder Plus. This is to prevent bots from abusing the site and also to keep the servers clean. So let's download and open two apps for around 30 seconds as the instructions stated. Let's follow them for each app. Download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. By the way, you can choose any two apps from the list. Let's return to the first app. You can also download an extra app just to make sure you are passing the verification successfully. And by the way, this is free, guys. You do not have to pay for a subscription if you do not want to. Just download, install the app and then use it for 30 seconds. I recommend you also use it, not just keep it opened. And here you can see the method is very simple, and by the end you will get Tinder Gold and Tinder Plus completely for free. Now let's close the app and go to the second one. Okay, and now let's keep this app open as well for around 30 seconds. Guys, I've tried all the other websites and videos and they just wasted my time. Only this method works. It's absolutely amazing and incredible how easy it is. Okay, and that's pretty much the tutorial. Don't forget to close the app and open it again. Basically restart it just to make sure the upgrade has successfully taken place. And that's pretty much the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash the like button, subscribe, and also share it with your friends. Have a great day.